All right, baby doll, what do we got tonight?
Hi, honey. We got a surprise. Well, you like everything, but I don't know why.
Especially you.
Oh, you're cute. So tonight is pepper steak.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm going to introduce my ingredients.
Let's go.
I have Kobe beef strips. I have peppers, onions, garlic, beef broth, brown sugar, adobo. I bought the low sodium one. I got olive oil, rice vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, a little cornstarch, and coconut amino.
That's like your favorite thing now.
Okay? So these are my ingredients. I'm going to get started, but we're going to meet you at the stove to saute my peppers and onions first. I just want to tell you, though, I've been marinating this in coconut amino, and that's it, just for about an hour.
Just for about an hour.
Okay, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do.
Ciao, ciao. All right, baby doll, what do we got?
Back up. We got no room in this kitchen. Okay, so I put my 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, and now I'm going to saute my peppers and onions, and I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper to that. Salt and pepper always to taste, and we'll be back.
All right, baby doll, what are we doing back here?
So I'm going to make a little sauce for this.
Let's go.
So what I'm doing is I have 1 cup of beef broth. All the measurements will be in our Family Talk and Taste. I have coconut amino. Now, coconut amino, like I've said in the past, I substitute for soy sauce. If you don't like coconut amino, you can use soy sauce.
Very good.
Okay? And this is brown sugar. Okay, just a little bit.
Brown sugar.
Okay, and there's no measurements for this. It'll say just a splash. White rice vinegar. Okay? And now we're just going to add a little cornstarch to thicken it up. And this is going to be our sauce for later. I'm doing the sauce now. So while the
peppers and onions are sauteing.
Okay? And then we're going to pour this on later.
Ooh, we'll be back, guys. Ciao, ciao. All right, baby doll.
Okay, so I'm just showing you now what I'm doing to my beef. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of adobo. This is to taste too. The low sodium, I bought the light one. And just a little bit of cornstarch because we want to thicken this a little bit, okay? Oop, let me take my ring off, and we're going to mixy mix. And as soon as the peppers and onions are ready, we're going to cook our beef.
You got it. All right, baby doll.
Okay, so I sauteed my peppers and onions. I took them out. Okay, so now in the same pan, I added a tiny bit, 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. And I put my garlic in there, but we're not going to brown the garlic. We're going to put the meat right in. Okay?
That shouldn't take long, right?
No. We're going to let everyone know how long. Okay? We're going to cook this meat. And we'll be back to bring everything together.
All right, and then what we're going to do?
Then we're going to eat.
Si mangia. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. All right, baby doll, talk to me.
Okay, so I cooked this only for 5 minutes. It's not all the way cooked, but I'm going to put my peppers and onions back, and I'm going to throw in the sauce that I made. And we're going to let it cook covered on low for 5 more minutes. Covered.
Just 5 minutes covered.
Okay, so we're going to pour that goodness in. And we're going to cover it and let it stay 5 minutes.
All right, we'll be back in 5 minutes, guys.
Okay, my love.
Happy, happy, happy. I don't know what you guys are having for dinner, but I'm having pepper steak with rice alla Maddalena. Let's see. I want a little bit of everything. I gotta taste everything. Oh yeah, the steak is so tender. 5 minutes, that's all it takes. Oh my God. Very good, delicioso. Ciao ragazzi, we love you.
And I'm serving this with the jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. Simple and easy. 3 minutes in the microwave.
Oh, the one in the bag?
It's the best rice.
No kidding. Very good.
Enjoy, everyone.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.